Hey everybody, Brian here. Just want to do a little video showing how you can actually use the hot racing brass wheel weights in the stock kyosbo 4x4 wheels using a extender set. I know a lot of you guys out there have been using the Hex Adapter set, which of course allows you to use hex-based 7mm hex-based wheels like the scx24 axial wheels. So this is a similar set, but it's extenders. It's actually made for the stock kyosbo wheel, so that it just gives the truck a wider stance. I know some people like narrow, some like wide, but these are specifically to adjust it from stock up 4 levels. So so the kit comes with 4 different sizes. Basically, to do this, I've got a set of the hot racing brass, what are, I think 9.5 grams each, wheel weights. These are for the scx24. So that's really all you need, the kit and the brass. So I'm going to update this little Jimny here. I'll do it without the body. There we go. First, let's get the wheels off. And of course, you'll want to put the spacers front and back. I find that for both Jimny and Toyota, the number 2, if you can see over here to the side, I've got 4 lines here. There's number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those are just the different sizes that the kit comes with. So just make sure you do like the instructions say that I send with these, and clean out any fibers that are maybe loose in here, because you just want it to sit nice and flush against the knuckle here. So so it should just fit just like so. As far as getting the weight in the wheel, I would recommend, since it is just a little loose inside here, I think slightly looser on the or more loose on the Toyota, but you could use just a little bead of shoe glue, just like a couple little. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put just a little bit of poster putty on here, since I don't want to install it permanently, since I've been taking these things in and out just about all day. So I'm just going to put just a little bit of poster putty on there, and go ahead and slide it on in here. All right, I'm going to take the adapter, go ahead and put it in the wheel. Make sure that sits nice and flush. Get one of the longer bolts that comes with the kit, and then get this lined up. Put the longer bolt in. And see if the nut grabs. Sometimes I find I have to do that number. Okay. Don't crank it down too tight, because of course, whether you got extenders or not, you can bind the drivetrain if you got it too tight. All right, the main thing to look for, there's ever so slight, see if I can get up where you can see it, there's ever so slight clearance between the knuckle and the brass. You can always go up to the number 3. The number 2 adds about 2 millimeters on each side of the truck. So it'd be 4 millimeters total width wider if you go with the number 2s. So we'll go ahead and do the other wheel real quick. Make sure that brass part gets nice and centered. helps to have the adapter on it. All right. Get the longer bolt. All right. I think she's ready to rock and roll. Now the back ones, go ahead and make sure you put some on there too. I'm not going to do it here just to save time, but that'll give it the same stance in the rear as it has in the front. So put everything back on it, and there we go. All right, well, hopefully this will help out a little bit. I know there's some other brass stuff coming out for them, but I know quite a few people have access to these scx24 style wheel weights, and feel free to hit me up if you've got any questions about the extender sets, but those are readily available right now. So anyways, hope the video helped, and keep on crawling.